Uttar Pradesh is right now the most popular state in the country, and the state government, led by Yogi Adityanath as the chief minister, has now prepared a draft bill to control the population explosion. The proposed bill focuses on 2 children and provides incentives to people who will help in population control. As per the proposed draft, anyone having more than 2 children can be barred from applying to government jobs. Those who are already in government jobs may not get an elevation. The new draft bill also bars people from contesting elections, along with no benefits of government-sponsored welfare schemes. Efforts will also be made to increase the accessibility of contraceptive measures to public and provide a proper system for safe abortion if required. The draft bill has been uploaded on the Commission's official website, seeking suggestions from the public by 19th of July.
ड्राफ्ट में ये व्यवस्था है कि पहली बात तो ये कि ये अधिनियम 1 साल के बाद लागू होगा। जो भी व्यक्ति जनसंख्या नीति का पालन करेगा उसको तमाम प्रकार की प्रोत्साहन दिए जाएंगे। अगर कोई सरकारी नौकरी में है तो उसको अतिरिक्त वेतन वृद्धि दी जाएगी। उसके पेंशन प्लान में सरकार का जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है वो 3% बढ़ेगा। इसके अलावा प्राधिकरण के मकान हैं, प्लॉट हैं, उनके आवंटन में वरीयता दी जाएगी। बच्चों की शिक्षा, चिकित्सा, ये सब निःशुल्क होगा और भी बहुत सी सुविधाएं हैं जो हम इसमें देने जा रहे हैं।
उत्तर प्रदेश राष्ट्र का हिस्सा है और राष्ट्र का हिस्सा है तो जब राज्य में कुछ होता है तो देश की दृष्टि से भी फायदेमंद होता है और आगे दूसरे राज्य भी उस प्रकार के कार्य करते हैं जिससे कि जनसंख्या, जो बढ़ती हुई जनसंख्या है, उसको नियंत्रित किया जा सके।
एक मसौदा तैयार किया गया है और वो मसौदा चूंकि जनहित के लिए हम ला रहे हैं तो जनता से इस पर सुझाव भी मांगा गया है। वो मसौदा जनता के बीच में लेकर विधि आयोग उत्तर प्रदेश का जा रहा है। इस हमारी अच्छी पहल को जनता स्वीकार करेगी तो हम इस पर कानून जरूर लाएंगे, क्योंकि ये जनहित के लिए लाया जा रहा है, प्रदेश हित के लिए लाया जा रहा है, देश हित के लिए लाया जा रहा है।
So this Uttar Pradesh Population Control Bill 2021, the draft proposal details we now have and we've compiled for you. So what precisely could it say? If you have more than 2 children, cannot apply for a government job. There could be possibly no promotion if you already have a government job. There will be no benefit from the government welfare schemes as well if you have more than 2 children. Extreme, there can also be a ban on contesting further elections. You will not be eligible to get any government subsidy as well. But what are the benefits if you have 2 children in the family? There could be 2 additional increments during your entire service. Subsidy on purchase of plot or house, that is a house loan, could have that subsidy given. Rebate on utility charges as well. There could be an increase of 3% in EPF or in fact the UNR NPS as well. What are the benefits if you have 1 or 2 children? There could be free treatment for 20 years, free education, insurance. There will be a priority in admission that would be given to these families. There may also be a priority in government jobs that could be given to these families. Now, if the benefits are being also given to people with children, what if there are either the man or the woman decides to undergo sterilization? Additional increment will be given, exemption in government housing schemes, increase in employer contribution in the Provident Fund, but that specifically in the government sector jobs as well. The parents undergoing sterilization could be exempted even in water bill, exemption in electricity and house tax, in the home loan as well, and that could be included in the private sector as well. Some breaking news coming in over this controversial bill, but also some steps being taken for population control.